Welcome to Veganize It. Today, banana bread. The cool thing about this banana bread is instead of using egg and milk, we're gonna use flaxseed meal and unsweetened almond milk. This is our flaxseed meal, and we just need to add a little bit of water and stir that up.
Let's compare. Banana bread is one case where the vegan version is actually a little bit more expensive than the non-vegan version because we're using more premium ingredients like flax and almond milk. It costs 43 cents more to make the whole recipe, but the vegan version still clocks in at just 32 cents per slice.
So our next step is to mix together all of our wet ingredients. Unsweetened almond milk, some oil, this flax egg that we've been letting sit up, sugar, just white sugar, and a little bit of vanilla extract. And then our most important part of banana bread, we're looking for bananas that almost are a little bit overripe. And then we're just gonna mash up our banana and get it as mashed as possible. You don't wanna do this ahead of time because it'll turn really brown. So we're gonna mix our banana in and then stir everything together. So after you've added in your bananas, I actually am gonna switch from a spatula to a whisk because it's just a lot easier to get it all blended together. Fun fact, flax has omega-3s, and the flax egg is gonna be our egg replacer. But we found that there are a few others that work, like applesauce, mashed banana, and aquafaba, which is just chickpea liquid. So if you try using applesauce, you'll need about 1/4 cup per egg, or if you're using a banana, about half of a medium banana. So our next step is to mix our dry ingredients together, and here we're using white whole wheat flour, which actually has all the same fiber benefits as regular whole wheat flour. We're gonna add baking powder, cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. And we're just gonna mix that together really quickly. And now we're gonna add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Let's mix all this together.
To make baked goods vegan, you need to swap out the eggs and the dairy. Here, we used flaxseed for the egg and used almond milk and oil to replace any milk and butter. Egg production requires a lot of land and resources, so cutting back on egg consumption is beneficial to the environment. Plus, the dairy in traditional banana bread actually has a bigger impact than poultry or pork when it comes to greenhouse gas emissions per gram of protein.
So our last step is just to add some chocolate chips. Be sure you don't over mix. You don't want your bread to get tough. And then we're gonna pour it into a greased 9 by 5-inch pan, just like this. So this banana bread bakes for about an hour or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. This healthy vegan banana bread clocks in with 25% fewer calories compared to a traditional slice. You'll also get a little bit more heart-healthy fiber. Regular banana bread clocks in at 2 grams, while our vegan version clocks in at 3. So our beautiful banana bread has baked for an hour and cooled for an hour, and now it's the perfect temperature for slicing. Oh, and it's beautiful. Perfect. Thank you so much to our vegan expert, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on Veganize It.